Today I want to share with you some of the hand-picked homes on the market, and the best part is that they are having open houses this afternoon, and I have nothing to sell you, but just in case you are actively looking for homes in the area or just want to stay updated in the neighborhood, this video is perfect for you too. And so my name is Leo Chen, and I live in the South Irvine area for over 20 years and have been in real estate for the past 8 years, selling over $60 million in just the past few years. But without further ado, let's dive into the open houses. First, it's a good idea to know what the market is doing here in Irvine, so we can have a good comparison of prices and what things are going for and the market and stuff like that. As you can see, it's still a very high seller's market here, and so we are still at 70 as far as this meter is concerned for Irvine, and this is of July 1st, that's today. And average home prices for single families sitting here at just under 2.5 million. And so, it's up there, but the price per square foot staying at around $806 per square foot. And you can see homes and inventories are still very low for all of Irvine. And then here's what the prices for the condos that are going out for sale right now, and at the $691 price per square foot. So both are really high, and you can see the condo demand is super high. We're here at 90 almost as a seller's market, and you can kind of see a little bit of breakdown here. And this is a really good chart to see of how the home prices have risen and what the trend looks like. This is for condos, and then this is going to be for homes. Okay, you can see for Irvine here, at least, I can't speak for other cities, but for Irvine, it's still demand is really high. Irvine is really very high demand, and so we're getting still an upward trend here, on our prices. Okay, so let's dive into the homes right now. Okay, so here are the homes I wanted to show you, and you can just pull up a map so that you can see, where the homes are located here. Okay, so right here, relatively here in South Irvine is what we're looking at. We're actually not going to go through this one at 2.2 million, but these ones right here, just right around Woodbridge, and below Woodbridge we have Shady Canyon, Turtle Rock, and Quail Hill. Okay, so these are the three homes we're going to look at, and here's the first home. First home here is in Woodbridge, and it's on sale for 1.3 million. And you can see they just recently dropped the price by 55,000. It's a 4-bed, 3-bath at 1718 square foot, which is a pretty good size. You can see really nice view here of where the home is situated. It's a corner home right next to the trail here, and you can see almost the view right to the lake if you were in the house, but you're literally, not even a half a block from the lake, which is what Woodbridge is known for. Woodbridge is one of the oldest neighborhoods in Irvine, and so everything is super mature. All the trees and all the landscaping and everything is very well maintained and mature, and it gives you the feeling that you're in a town that's older than it is. All right, and so this is from looking at the photos here, I'm going to pull it up for you. You can see here's the front, and you can see that it's a corner home here. So you get the end of the house, you have no neighbors on the other side, which is a really great thing. A lot of people out there, a lot of my clients are looking for that. But here you can see how clean the house is. Okay, and open ceiling, vaulted, and you got both a living room and a family room. And you can see this open concept here in the wall, so that it's actually act as one great big room. And then you have the kitchen and a breakfast nook. So everything very well done. You can see some upgraded features here, crown moldings, okay, big sliding doors to the backyard, dining, and definitely upgraded kitchen, stainless steel appliances, and look at how nice that they did the bathroom with a cute little window shutters. So these are the details that we're looking for in a home. So that's a really, great features here about the home. And because it is 4-bedroom, you can get an office, a home office if you want. Okay, so that's kind of the deal with this home here. Super good looking. Looks like they took care of the exterior. Here's a wraparound backyard. Okay, and it's a good sized backyard here, good enough for seating. A garden herb bed here. And then you can see, if you're not familiar with Woodbridge, here are all the views of the lake, which is beautiful. Okay, so the home's right here, and then you get this lake. Okay, let's move on to home number 2. This home here is in Turtle Rock. That's priced at $1.79 million. It's new on the market. I believe it's only been on the market 2 days. Okay, and again, you can see this open ceiling here, lots of natural lights, and open right to the dining room, and the dining room opens up to the kitchen. It's really nice. Okay, and you can see they did an excellent job staging this thing, and you know, we love having been able to go up the stairs and have this overlooking railing here to be able to look down, and just makes everything very airy. And the great thing about this home is that it's park front or park rear, if you will, because the back of the home is a park. Okay, and I'll actually show you the map so you can see that clearly right here. Here's the home and here's the park. Now this is not a detached single family home, it is an attached home, but the fact that you have this view back here is super nice. Okay, and so that's one of the great things about this home. Quick specs on this, 1,800 square foot as I mentioned, but the price here at 1.798 is $998 price per square foot. And if you look at our average here, we're at $806 per square foot for single family, and $691 per square foot. And so it is priced a bit higher, but I'm assuming it's because of these type of things, these type of amenities, location, and all the upgrades they might have done. So that's why it's always a good idea to go see the home in person, go to the open house, and see that if it's worth the price, if they did all the great job of of taking care of the home and also remodeling. If they had new remodels, that would be worth a lot of money. Look how well done this bathroom is. So that this would be reasons to pay a little bit more than average for the home. And you can see absolutely this is a completely turnkey home. So you can literally just move in. I mean, they did such a great job with the remodel that it's almost like a model home here. Look at all the work they did on the backyard. With the hardscaping, the flooring here for the outdoor area, the fire pit. So those are the things to look for when you're out looking at these homes to see exactly if it's worth the money. Absolutely, they must have done some estimates, and maybe that's why they priced it as such. So let's move on to the last home here. Okay, the third home here is in Quail Hill. This one just came on the market. I believe it's been on the market for 10 days. Okay, very rare do you see homes on the market very long in Quail Hill. Just very, very high demand in Quail Hill. I personally live in Quail Hill, and so we have a lot of these really nice homes. This one is actually priced pretty well. This is a 4-bedroom, 5-bath, almost just under 3,400 square feet. And you can see here also, they dropped the price by $150,000, which means they have some motivations to move this house. Today, they're going to have the open house from 1 to 5, so see if you can make it there. But here's some quick stats. The lot size is just under, well, it's 5,500 square feet, so under 6,000, which is a good size for a single family home, but great curb appeal. And this is a cul-de-sac home. I actually drove by this home, and I know that where this is situated, and this street here is super tranquil. If you're looking for quiet, tranquil locations, this would be a great home for that. And you can see right here, it's not quite the corner home, but it's second to the corner. I actually prefer that because right here you have a walking trail, and a lot of people actually walk by, and privacy may be a concern here if you actually are a corner home. So this is just next to the corner home, and you just a few steps from the trail here, and a few steps basically from the Wilderness Park here. All of this, you can see the trail here. This is the Wilderness Park. Okay, and so super nice home because of the location, because of the neighborhood, and they dropped the price. And so they're going to be showing it today between 1 to 5 also. All right, that's it for today. I hope this was helpful to you. Let me know if you get a chance to see these homes. Open houses between 1 to 5 for both of those, and then I think 1 to 4 on the first one. And if you do get my regular emails, I also posted a great Laguna Beach cottage home that just came on market recently. And if you are looking for something near the beach. This is just a short block from the beach, and it's a small cottage, and it's listed by some friends of mine which I know very well, and I think this really is one of the best homes on the market right now in Laguna Beach. So comment below if you like information on that one. Comment if you like these videos that I'm doing about these homes, and if you have any questions and you saw this from the email I sent you, go ahead and reply to it and let me know what you think, and if there's anything else you would like me to show you. So other than that, have a great weekend.